I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the controller has enough power so pairing doesn't fail mid-process. Once done, identify the TV's connection options: USB port for a dongle, Bluetooth, or an RF receiver. Power the TV off for a moment, then plug in the dongle or ready the controller's pairing button. This prevents hot plug issues. Make sure the controller is set to the correct mode if it supports multiple protocols, because selecting the wrong mode wastes time and can block successful pairing. Now you put the controller into pairing mode and use the TV's input or Bluetooth menu to search for devices. Once the controller appears on screen, select it and confirm pairing. Some TVs prompt for a PIN. Use 0000 or follow the controller prompt. If you used a USB dongle, make sure the TV recognizes it under External Devices or Game Controller Settings. Once listed, test basic buttons. If the TV asks to update firmware, allow it because compatibility. Finish by testing the controller in a diagnostic screen or a simple game to confirm button mapping and stick calibration. You want predictable input before playing. If you notice lag, missed inputs, or drift, restart the TV and repair the controller, because cached connections often cause issues. Make sure batteries are fresh or the controller is charged. Try a different USB port for dongles and update firmware on both TV and controller. Doing these steps usually resolves the remaining compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.